I'm Rinku Diman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today I'm here going to discuss control system. So control system is basically a very important field in electrical engineering. So before going to in deep about the control system, we have to understand the basic concept of control and systems. So what is a system? A system is an arrangement of or an combination of different physical components connected or related in such a manner so as to form an entire unit to attain a certain objective. So we can see in figure we have with an input that is processed through that system and will get output. So this output may be our desired output or it will be a output simply. So what is input basically? The stimulus or excitation applied to a control system from an external source in order to produce the output is called input. So this is the basic input element to the system's output. The actual response obtained from a system is said to be output. Control. It means to regulate, direct, or command a system so that the desired objective is attained. So, the combining of above definitions like system plus control, we will get a control system. So now we'll in further slide, we will understand what is a control system. So we have with the input and we will get a controlled output. If we process that input through the control system, we'll get a control output. So it is an arrangement of different physical elements connected in such a manner so as to regulate, direct, or command itself to achieve a certain objective. So, what is the basic difference between system and control system? In a simple system, we are with input and we will get a proper output. So, it may be desired output or it may be a simple output that will be less than or more than of that our input processing. Same way, if we consider a control system, with the processing input we always get a desired output. So that is the difference between a system and a control system. In system we will get a proper output, either it may be desired or no desire, but in a control system we always get a desired output. So we can understand this thing by simple example, like a fan can be a system and a control system both. So we can see in a fan we will give an input 230 volt at 50 hertz supply. That fan will behave like a system, we will get the output like as a airflow. So a fan can't be a system. A fan without blade can't be a system because it can't provide desired output. Like desired output is our airflow. So we are giving input like 230 volt at 50 hertz AC supply. Without blades we will not get any airflow. So there is a no airflow, so there is a no output. So no proper or desired output will get from the fan. Same way, a fan can be a system. A fan with blades but without regulator can be a system because it can provide a proper output. So the proper output will be our airflow, but it can't be a control system because it cannot be provide desired output. Yani ki controlled airflow we can't be get from this. So we are here with 230 volt supply at 50 hertz as a AC input, and by passing through by passing this supply to the rotor of the motor of our fan, we will get the airflow as the desired output. Now the fan can also become a control system. A fan with blades and with regulator can be a control system because it can provide a desired output. So desired output is our controlled airflow. So simply we will apply input like 230 volt at 50 hertz apply to our control element. That can be our regulator in case of our domestic fan. So we will regulate the supply over there like medium, high, low, and there is a numbering also 1, 2, 3, 4. So maximum speed, minimum speed, and like that. So we will regulate our input supply, and on the basis of that regulation we will control the airflow through the fan blades. So in the case of control system, like fan behave like a control system, we will get a controlled airflow. So this is all about the control system. So this is all about the control system finally. And for more updates on control system, please stay tuned with us.